Try the design order feature. Get a beautiful design for your new home. Enjoy stylish and affordable interior design, ready in just 24 hours. Convert your 2D floor plan into a 3D model with a 360-degree virtual home tour. Receive visuals to better understand your space or boost real estate sales. Finally, get a complete interior design for the cost of just 1 square meter. Use the best solution on the market to bring your space to life. Choose one of our 9 curated design styles, Japandi, Modern, Scandinavian, Elegance, etc., or specify your own design preferences. Simply upload your floor plan, describe your layout preferences, including colors, materials, furniture, ergonomics, and home appliances. Review your order, complete the payment, and receive your design within 24 hours. Now it's easier than ever to bring your dream space to life.